Hello everyone, my name is Raimi and welcome to my channel. So today I just did a little makeup tutorial on this simple everyday look. We have some fake freckles going on if you look up really close, some eyeshadow. It's really glowy and easy and simple and it made me feel really pretty, so I hope that you guys like it, and if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer to cover up any discoloration on my eyelids and also to help define my brows. Now I'm spreading it with this flat, really skinny concealer brush, and I'm also using it to get the concealer as close as I can to my eyebrow hairs. Then with this Morphe sponge, I'm just using it to smooth everything out and get a really even base. Now I'm lightly setting my lids with the Mercier translucent setting powder. Using this brown shade from the Morphe 35O palette, I'm just going to build this color up on my entire crease and then slightly winging it out on my outer V portion just to give my eye a more cuter look, you know, just pulled out. From the same palette, I'm using this slightly darker brown shade just to deepen up the outer corner of my lid. I'm not packing any of these colors on too hard just because I want this to be super natural and simple and easy, so if you notice that, then that's why. I'm using this shimmer shade from the James Charles palette and I'm just swiping that across my lid just to make it look a little cuter, you know. To prime my face, I'm using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I really like this because it adds a really nice glow under your makeup, and I'm just using this on the perimeter of my face. For my T-zone, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus Primer because it's really good for keeping my oils at bay throughout the day, and it's also from the drugstore, so it's really affordable. To add some dewiness and that glow from within look, I'm adding some of the Becca Liquid Highlighter in Opal all on my high points of my face. For a more natural coverage, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer all over my face instead of foundation, and I'm just going to blend that out with my Morphe sponge. Instead of using a powder brush to set my face, today I'm going to be using a sponge, and I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and yeah, I'm just going to do that all over my face. After I powder my base, I always like to go in with a setting spray and then pat everything in with a sponge. I'm going to add some warmth to my face really lightly. I'm just going to do that on my forehead and my cheekbones, and I like to swipe bronzer across my nose just because it gives you a cute little sun-kissed look, and it's like nose contour but not really, and the same thing with the blush. I'm giving myself a couple little fake freckles with a brown eyebrow pencil, and if you go a little too dark on any of the spots, all you have to do is tap it in with your finger and it'll immediately get lighter. So yeah. For highlight today, I'm using Ofra's Rodeo Drive. You guys already know my favorite go-to lip liner is Hush Hush from Buxom Cosmetics. For the inner portion of my lips, I'm using the Morphe lipstick in Wifey. Now I'm just patting the lipstick out with my middle finger to give it a more natural finish. For mascara today, I'm using one of my favorites, which is the Benefit Roller Lash. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!